Let's continue talking or discussing about our topic from the first order differential equation, in which our topic is homogeneous function. So, what is homogeneous function? From the definition, it is a polynomials in which all terms are in the same degree. For example, if we have an equation, first term is the function of m of x and y dx plus n of x and y dy is equal to 0. So we can say that this function is homogeneous if, here is my simple proof na if that function, if we will introduce a new variable k, and if ma-factor out ato siya gikan sa original function, meaning that is a homogeneous with a degree of n. Same as well as from the second equation na if we will introduce a variable to its function, and if again ma-factor out ato si k sa ato ang original function, meaning that function is homogeneous with a degree of n. Sige, for example, para kay mas masabtan, halimbawa, number 1. So, from number 1, we let this first function is a function of m of x and y. And the second term, I mean the first term and second term, we let that second term into function of n of x and y. So to prove that this is a homogeneous function, from the function of f m of x and y equal to x plus y. From the definition above, ganiha, if we will introduce a variable or any other variable, pero sa kuha, let's use the variable k. Kung unsa ang power sa x, mo pwede mo hang i-multiply nga power sa k. Kx, ky. Equal to, since the x is, iyang power is 1 lang, meaning power of 1 lang po na ito ang i-multiply kang k. Kx plus ky. And if atuwa siyang ma-factor out, diba factorable si k, x plus y. Tanawa nga ang atuang original function is nibalik, and si k is na ay degree nga 1, meaning that function is homogeneous with a degree of 1. So let's proceed to the second term. Our n of x and y here is x squared plus y squared square root. We will introduce a variable k of x, k of y equal to, again, kung unsa ang power sa imuhang variable diri, mo pwede imuhang power sa k. So, since x squared, meaning our k will be squared. X squared, the same as well in y squared. K squared, y squared. Now, the question is, ma-factor out ba siya? Yes, we can factor that one out by simplifying. Factor the k squared, x squared plus y squared. But naka-radical gihapon. To simplify further, since rule of radicals, if na kay multiplication sa rule of radicals, halimbawa a square root of ab, equal lang di ba na siya kang square root of a times square root of b. The same principle or concept may apply here. Halimbawa, k squared square root times k plus y squared. We can see that k squared in a radical, we can cancel out the radical. So meaning k na lang ang bilin. And we have the original function back, x squared plus y squared square root. Meaning that our second term is a still homogeneous with a degree of 1. Ano lang kasi yun. And let's try the example number 2. Again, we let our first term as a function of m of x and y, and the second term as a function of n of x and y. Para kay naatay smooth flow of proving. So from our first term, m of x and y is equal to x e raised to x over y. Again, let's introduce a variable k to our function. Since power of 1 lang ang x, so power of 1 lang po sige x e raised to, since natay variable nga naka-exponent, introduce po tag k dito. Kx over ky. In this one, we can simplify. Makita na to siya nga si k is ma-cancel out. So, ang bili na lang is k. And pansin nyo nga ang atuang diri is nibalik. So, meaning that is homogeneous with a degree of 1. And sa tuang second function na y tan of x over y. Again, let's introduce another variable inside the function to prove that it is a homogeneous variable k. Ky, since ang power sa y is 1 lang, tan kx over ky. And we can cancel out the k. And nga na ang simple nga proving. Pero, natay pinakasayon nga matan-awan nga si function is homogeneous sa ing-ani nga way. Halimbawa, di ba sa tuang definition ganiha, ang homogeneous is a polynomial in which all terms have the same power or degree. Since kani is first term, second term, and third term, natay tulo ka term. Ang atoang first term is with a degree of 3. Meaning, ang highest degree na to is si 3. Ang second term is, ang degree gihapon is 3. Now, sa tuang third term is natay power sa x nga 1 and power nga 2 sa y, i-combine lang nato na siya. So, 1 plus 2 is 3. So, therefore, still lang ato ang third term is in the power of 3. And they are equal power of all terms. So, meaning, ang ato ang function is homogeneous. Now, let's proceed to the solution of the homogeneous equation. Sa ato ang topic ganiha, ang homogeneity of a function, if ma-determine nato ang function na homogeneous, natay i-introduce nga new variable or substitution sa function. After nato siya ma-determine, kani dili siya separable, but ang ato ang equation is homogeneous with a degree of 2. Kay pinakasayon nga pag-determine is kani ang ato ang first term is to the power of 2, second term is to the power of 2 again, and the third term is we have a x power of 1 and y power of 1, then i-plus nimo na siya, ay gyapon tayo makuha nga 2. That's why this problem is still homogeneous. And at dara ato ang i-introduce nga new variable. We can choose from this 1 and this one. It will depend sa problem if asa ang sayon i-substitute. But for me, let's use y equal to v of x. This one is gikan siya diri. Kaya to siyang derivative. And ikuha ang iyahang differential nga formula. So let y equal to vx and dy be equal to v dx plus x dv. Meaning, ang tanan y and tanan dy, iplagi na to ang iyang new value nga na ay v. Let's rewrite our problem. X squared plus y na to karon is vx. So, meaning vx squared dx plus x and natay again y. Lagi na to si vx. And si dy, natay dy nga value, v dx plus x dv equal to 0. And simplify. X squared plus x squared v squared dx plus x squared v dx plus x dv equal to 0. And to simplify further, we can factor out x squared from this term. So factor out x squared. Siyang 1 plus v squared dx plus x squared v and copy. Notice that from this equation, makancel out na to si x squared by dividing both sides by x squared. Cancel siya diri, cancel siya diri. So, cancel out. Ano na lang tayo? X plus v. V dx plus x dv equal to 0. 0 divided by x squared is still 0. And simplify pa nato further. Okay, let's distribute this one. Each term. 1 plus v squared dx plus v squared dx plus vx dv equals to 0. After na to siya ma-introduce ang variable nga bag-o is napansin na to nga ang ato ang equation karon is in a form of separable equation. Tanawa. Notice that si dx is pwede na siya ma-combine sa kani nga term. Mahimo siyang 1 plus 2v squared dx plus vx dv equal to 0. And we can now separate. Kay ang function ni dx is puros in terms of v. And ang function ni dv is pwede na to ma-multiply out or ma-factor out si x. So, paano siya? We can divide both sides by this. 1 plus 2v squared and x. Okay, pag i-distribute ito siya, diri nga side, ma-cancel out ni siya. May bili na lang dx over x plus if i-distribute ito ni diri, si x diri is ma-cancel out. Ang bili na lang is v dv over 1 plus 2v squared equal to 0. This is the process of a homogeneous solution. Medyo taas-taas, meaning ang atoang homogeneous is connected to our separable solution. Kay after na to siya ma-determine nga homogeneous, mag-substitute tag either y equal to vx or x is equal to vy. Moabot ta sa point nga ma-separate siya, ang tanan variables is separable, in which na try na to karon, diba? This one is a separable and we can now finally integrate first term, integrate the second term, and integrate the third term. The first term is a simple logarithmic, so that one is ln of x plus sa kani nga term, kapisa na to kay medyo na siya solution nga gamiton. And again, the integral of a 0 is always a constant. This one is simple u substitution. We let u be equal to 1 plus 2v squared. Get its differential du, it would be just 4v dv. From our original problem, ang atoang kuan lang diri sa numerator is v dv. And 3 is not by 4, so meaning divide na by 4. du over 4 equal to v dv. And the integral will now be in terms of u. Equal na siya kang u is nasa baba, so meaning du over 4 all over u. That would be simplified into 1/4 integral of du over u. Let's verify, tama ba? U, yes, tama. And that would be equal to 1/4 ln of u. And substituting the original variable na in terms of v, ay mo siyang 1/4 ln of 1 plus 2v squared. And by adding our first solution, siya ay ln x plus 1/4 of ln of 1 plus 2v squared equals to c. And notice our original problem is in terms of x and y. So meaning, let's plug or substitute back in the terms in terms of x and y. There is napamantay v. Let's substitute back the value of b by this. Since we let y as equal to v over x, let's solve for v. V is equal to y over x. Muna itong i-plug in sa v. Ito ang answer diri is ln x plus 1/4 ln of 1 plus 2. Ito, v na to is y over x. Y over x squared equals to c. This one can be considered as a final answer, but to make it simple or simpler, we can multiply this by 4. May mo siyang 4 ln x plus ln of 1 plus 2 x squared over, y squared over x squared equals to c lang gihapon, constant. Kay any number that is multiplied to a constant value, magiging constant lang gihapon. And by the power of, the rule of logarithmic in addition, si ln of a plus ln of b is equal kang ln ab. We can apply this principle or rule sa diri nga equation since this is a addition. But before that, let's put our for another rule. If natay a ln of b, equal na siya kang ln of b raised to a. So ln of x raised to 4 plus ln of 1 plus 2 y squared over x squared equal to c. And applying this rule here, ay mo siyang ln of x raised to 4, 1 plus 2 y squared over x squared equals c. And to get rid of our logarithmic, we can raise both sides by e. This one will be cancelled out. Kay ln e is equal to 1 and e raised to ln is equal also to 1. Bili na lang is e raised to 4, 1 plus 2y squared over x squared equals to e raised to c is also a constant, so meaning we can just rewrite it as a constant value, c1. To simplify further, distribute, may mo siyang x squared ay x raised to 4 plus 2y squared x squared equals to c1. This is the final answer. That's it for this video. I hope you learned something. I will be posting more videos of another topic or another examples. Thanks.